from now and onwards. This is my video, my first video to feel that I'm really hustling for music. Yeah, today I realized that music is not easy. This video, I made it while I don't have enough money. I tried my level best. I was in a lot of depression. Yeah, it's called the Kolololo. I think many of you are gonna watch it. It's gonna be good for you. And I really respect that. I did this not because I'm mocking God, just because I wanna be reminding you about death, because we are going to die. We are going to die. And I repeat, Mayday, Mayday, we are going to die.